The dark side of modern technology, top 5 disadvantages on humans. Greetings everyone. Today we're going to talk about information technology and explore the less talked about aspects. In this video we will point out the top 5 disadvantages of technology on humans. So let's get started. One, social isolation. Note, with the advancement of modern technologies, one of the significant disadvantages is the potential for social isolation. As people become increasingly addicted in their digital devices, real-life interactions and relationships tend to fade away. Loneliness, depression and anxiety can result from excessive online interactions at the expense of genuine human communications. 2. Health concerns. Note, another area of concern is the impact of modern technology on our health conditions. The number of screen time and sedentary lifestyles associated with modern technology usage can contribute to numerous health problems such as obesity, eye strain, musculoskeletal issues, and even sleep disorders. 3. Cybersecurity risks. Note, advancements in modern technology have also led to an increase in cybersecurity risks. With the extensive use of the internet and interconnected devices, individuals and organizations are wide open to data breaches, identity theft, and even attacks from hackers. Protecting our personal information has become problems in this digital age. 4. Job displacement. Note, as modern technology progresses at a fast track, automation and artificial intelligence have begun replacing certain job roles. While modern technological advancements bring greater results and convenience, they can also potentially lead to job displacement and unemployment, particularly in industries where automation is fast needed. 5. Addiction and mental health issues. Note, finally, the mysterious, attractive and addictive nature of modern technology cannot be overlooked. Continuous connectivity and the instant satisfaction provided by modern technology can lead to addiction and harmful effects on mental health. Problems like continuous use of internet, social media obsession and gaming addiction can make it difficult for daily functioning and overall well-being. Conclusion. Note that, as we accept the benefits and contributes that modern technology brings, a crucial acknowledge and address these potential downsides. By understanding the disadvantages, we can work towards finding a balance and capitalizing modern technology in a way that will positively impact our lives. This is One Tech TV, that wraps up our exploration of the top 5 disadvantages of modern technology on humans. If you found this video educative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful and educative content, and click on that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you.